Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Today's date is 28 and the session number 4. Class 4, session number 4 and the date. When you are sending homeworks, in the same way you have to mention. Which date when you are sending, on particular day if you are sending, you write the same date. If you are sending on the next day also, you have to write the same date. మీరు ఏ రోజైతే క్లాస్ వింటున్నారో ఆ డేటే ఉండాలి. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ మెన్షన్ యువర్ నేమ్. నేను చాలాసార్లు చెప్పాను, నేమ్స్ అసలు పంపించట్లేదు, పిక్స్ క్లియర్గా ఉండట్లేదు. హౌ కెన్ ఐ టిక్ ఇన్ ద హోంవర్క్ సెషన్? సో ప్లీజ్ మెన్షన్ యువర్ నేమ్ అండ్ సెషన్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో డెఫినెట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మెన్షన్. యూ మేక్ ఏ హ్యాబిట్ ఆఫ్ డూయింగ్ దిస్. ఎలాగో ఇలా పంపించాలి డైలీ కాబట్టి మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా డేట్ మెన్షన్ చేయాలి, నేమ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ సెషన్ నెంబర్ 4 అండ్ పిక్ కూడా క్లియర్గా ఉండేటట్టు చూసుకోండి. So we are continuing our lesson number 1, plan life. Okay, already I told you some experiments they have given in the textbook like this. For that we need some alcohol and all, so that we couldn't make, but the last one here it is there. See what they have given. Slice a potato into 2 halves. Put a few drops of iodine solution onto the cut part of the potato. You see that it turns bluish black. This is because of the presence of starch in the potato. They are asking to take a potato and cut it into 2 halves and pour little iodine solution on the cut part. Then you can see that potato changes into bluish black. Here I have done for you in this way. Actually, what is the color of the potato here? White color. But where I have dropped a few drops of iodine, I have added few drops of iodine solution and it has changed into bluish black. So when it changes into this color, it shows that it contains starch. Idila color change avadam valla manaki em telustundi? Potato contains starch. So starch food is very healthy for small children. So in this way, this is a small experiment. And we have learned about the parasites, the plant that feeds on other plant. It cannot prepare food by its own and depends upon the other plants for the food. This is about the parasites. And next about the insectivorous plants. And some children have not buy the books, right? కొంతమంది బుక్స్ కొనుక్కోలేదు, వాళ్ళకి లెసన్ ఎంత చెప్పినా అర్థం కాదు. First of all, you have to carry a textbook when you are listening the video. So please buy the textbook and listen the video. It will be understand very soon. So insectivorous plants. There are some plants that feed on insects. It's strange but true. Yes, what they are saying? There are some plants that eat other plants. That means they feed on other plants. These type of plants are called as insectivorous plants. It is strange to listen. వినడానికి వింతగా ఉన్నా it is true. They have chlorophyll in their leaves. So they can also make their own food. వాటికి క్లోరోఫిల్ ఉంటుంది లీఫ్ లో, సో దే క్యాన్ ప్రిపేర్ ద ఫుడ్. మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా ఆల్రెడీ, క్లోరోఫిల్ ఉన్న చోటనే ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతుంది. దీనిలో రఫ్లీసియా ప్లాంట్ దట్ బేర్స్ ద లార్జెస్ట్ ఫ్లవర్ ఈజ్ ఏ పారాసైట్. సో ద ప్లాంట్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ రఫ్లీసియా. ఇట్ కంటైన్స్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ ఫ్లవర్ and it is a parasite. Now here they have given Venus flytrap picture plant. You can see in this picture two, this one and this one. These two plants are called as insectivorous plants. That means they feed on the insects. That means they eat the insects. The world of plants is in feeding fascinating. You will learn more about them in your higher classes. So about this, it will be explained more in the other classes. Now by this we have finished the chapter. As soon as the chapter finishes, what it will be here? Keywords. Already I have given you the keywords as homework and I told you to learn. So this is also finished. Now what is given here down? Recall. Recall session is very important. What do you mean by recall? మనం ఈ లెసన్లో నేర్చుకున్నదంతా మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోవడం. That is called a recall. We have learned in this lesson is called recall. Green plants make food in their leaves by the process of photosynthesis. Green plants food ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకుంటాయి? By the process of photosynthesis. Next, plants take in water and minerals through their roots. Plants ఎలా తీసుకుంటాయి వాటికి కావాల్సిన వాటర్ మినరల్స్ అన్ని? Through the roots. The stem sends the water upwards to the leaves. Leaves వరకు ఎలా వెళ్తున్నాయి water? The stem is sending the water to the leaves. Leaves taking carbon dioxide through tiny openings called stomata on their underside. How do we breathe air? With the help of nostrils, nose. In the same way, plant is having stomata. Stomata is called as the nose of the plant. Through the stomata, it is taking the carbon dioxide. Next, the chlorophyll in leaves absorbs sunlight. We already learned that plant needs sunlight. Then, the chlorophyll that is present in the leaf will take the sunlight from the sun. Clear? Next, during photosynthesis, green plants combine water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight to make sugar. Already we have learned what is photosynthesis. So, during photosynthesis, what happens? The green plants will take water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. Then overall this will prepare the sugar that is needed for the plant. Next, oxygen is released during photosynthesis. What it is absorbing during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. And what it is giving out, what it is releasing? Oxygen. చెట్లు ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్తేనే మనకు వస్తుంది ఆక్సిజన్. We are giving them carbon dioxide and they are giving us oxygen. The extra food made by the leaves is stored in this as starch in roots, stems, leaves and seeds. So already I have told the extra food. ఎక్కువ అయిపోయిన ఫుడ్ స్టోరేజ్ ప్లాంట్స్ కొన్నిట్లో రూట్స్, కొన్ని స్టెమ్స్, కొన్ని లీవ్స్, కొన్ని సీడ్స్లో చేస్తాయి. నో హియర్ ఇన్ పొటాటో this is all the extra food, that is the starch. It is storing no. Parasites are plants that depend on green plants for food. What are parasites? The plants that depend on other plants, but they are green plants. Next, insectivorous plants is insects. These are all the topics we have learned. Insectivorous plants ante enti? They eat the insects. So that's why they are called as insectivorous plants. Now next they have given the question and answers. Next they have given second one, complete the equation. Dash plus water dash plus minerals is equal to dash plus oxygen. This we will write during the question answers. Now multiple choice they have given. The food made by plants. If you are having textbook, you fill up this equation ma. If you are having the textbook, you fill up this equation. I am writing on the board. Carbon dioxide plus water, carbon dioxide plus water plus minerals. For what they have given the dash for the carbon dioxide. Dash plus water plus minerals, and they have given the arrow mark. Dash plus oxygen, sugar plus oxygen. This equation you note it down in the textbook. This is the equation. Carbon dioxide plus water plus minerals is equal to sugar plus oxygen. You have to now the classwork for you. Complete the equation. Next, multiple choice questions they have given here. I am going to tell you the answers. That is just you have to fill up it in the textbook. First one, the food made by plants. Proteins, sugar and fats. What is the answer? Sugar. B. Once again I am repeating. First one answer is B. Next, the gas released during photosynthesis. Photosynthesis When the photosynthesis process is taking place, which gas is released? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Answer is oxygen. They'll give us oxygen and we'll give them carbon dioxide. Next, a green leaf turns bluish black when you add. When does the green leaf turns its color? When you add potassium, alcohol or iodine? The answer is iodine. C. Write with pencil only. Fill up the textbook and write here CW. Fourth one. The food in plants is stored in the form of dash. How is the food stored in the plant? In the form of starch. Now I have seen the potato now. Here the starch is the food. What is that we are eating in the potato? This one only, no? So inside what is there here? Starch. So this is the food. Next, fifth one. The substance in leaves that helps to absorb sunlight. Which is helping the leaf to absorb the sunlight? Stomata, chlorophyll, water. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps to absorb the sunlight. And in the meanings also they have given here chlorophyll, the green substance in leaves that helps them to absorb the sunlight. So this is the CW for you. Take a pencil and fill up the textbook. Maybe some students are not having textbook, so please buy the textbook. And the homework is for you to write the fill in the blanks. Here they have given the questions. Along with the questions you have to write. Answers I have written on the board, but not just answers. You have to write whole the sentence. Like first one. Plants prepare food by a process called dash. How does the plant prepare the food? By the process of photosynthesis. Next, the substance that make a green leaf. Which substance is helping the leaf to be green in color? Chlorophyll. Third one, tiny openings on underside of leaves are called stomata. Plants that feed on insects are called insectivorous plants. Plants that depend on other plants for their food are called dash, parasites. So these are the answers and you have to write along with the question. Full sentence is needed. And don't send homeworks in any other group. Just send to me personally like before. Due to some problems, we have removed the 4th class homework. Some parents are getting disturbed. So everyone should be comfortable. That is the reason we have removed. So please send the homeworks personally only. And don't send from day to night every time. Keep a particular timing. Like evening or in the morning. Midnight కనుక homework చేస్తే next day morning పంపించండి లేదా night 8 తర్వాత పెట్టండి 8 to 9 లోపు homeworks పెట్టడం స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. It will be easy for you and for me also. So please look at the board, the answers I have given you. Photosynthesis, chlorophyll, stomata, insectivorous, parasites. So when you have listened the lesson, you can write the answers by yourself. Right? Fill in the blanks means you have to listen the lesson and you have to fill it up. But I have given you answers here also. So please take care children. Write your homework neatly. Mention the name and the session. Thank you.